Con Cervantes from Binyan Ready Mix Concrete Corporation. Our main business is the construction and concrete supply as of now. Yes, been decades na po sa business. The reason why dito bumili po kami ng unit. Previously, we have units na we bought na in AIA. So, tiwala po kami sa AIA. Well, medyo marami-rami na rin po, no? Actually, my father has been buying almost all the units sa auction nyo. I think he has a good record, if I'm not mistaken, no? In the concrete business, yung mga mixers po, no? Nagmumibili po kami dito. Yes, working until now, no? Awa ng Diyos. It's really working. I believe na mga Japan surplus to, no? It's matibay po talaga when it comes to Japan quality. Well, yung sa mga unit namin nabili, especially this the concrete, it's worth it talaga. Sulit. Nabid po namin for about 2.1. The pump itself, it's okay. For the business itself, sa mga projects po namin, like yung hindi kaya buhusan, especially mga slab, footings, yun po, the concrete, the function of the pump. Hindi siya hassle, madali lang. Actually, my father bid it for this, no? So I think na it's very accessible to everyone. Maganda po. Syempre from the auction lahat and syempre sa mga freebies. And kidding aside, yung pag-aasikaso ng mga everything, okay po siya. Okay po dito sa AIA, mga sirs, mga boss, no? Sulit po, worth it. And hopefully more power and God bless sa AIA.
Sa AIA, ako, ikaw, aasenso.